Hi there, Tony Maynard here from diehardforeducation.com, and with the logo for what is it, health. So this is a health the health photo, and I'll show you what I mean. It's just not that difficult really. I'll show you the page, which is what we're going to here. KDP recommended evergreen health related books, and you come down here a little bit, and this is the niches. Okay, right, so you got, yeah, what we did in the last time was we did the categories, so that was category was health. Now we're into the niches. So the niche is fitness, and I'll do another one on diet, another one on wellness. So this one is for fitness at the moment. Okay, so that's what we're into. To tell you, explain to you a few things, right? You click on here, it'll take you to the fitness page, which will have all the listing of books and everything else that are evergreen books, which are Kindle books, and also what is it, paperback and hardcover books as well, whichever are available, if they're available, So that's what that'll be full of, and it'll be all evergreen as well. So that they always apply, no matter what, you see. So you got fitness there. So that's what'll be in there, So you get fit, and lose weight and all that kind of stuff, Those kind of books, That's what that's about. So this is the niche that we're going after now, the niche, okay? And so that's how that is. So you can go back to the outside logo, which is the health logo, right there. That's the health logo, right? So this is the health photo, which will have health on it, which I showed you in another video on the health page. So, and with that, I'd say, well, thank you for watching. And if you like this video, click the like button. If you want to hear more, click the notification bell and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in another video. And bye for now. And just click on this link. It'll take you to what I just showed you. Okay, thank you and bye.